These ones ain't.
Hello, mate.
Oh, wow.
Come in.
Mate, it looks epic. You're about to catch golden hour by the looks of it. Western Super-Mare, abandoned pier. Tide's gone out, so take this opportunity to go and check it out a little bit closer. And just keep an eye on the tide, make sure we don't get caught out, and we'll be all groovy. Pretty cool place, to be honest. Let's get it. Oh mate, that's alright to be fair. Nice view, what are you taking right, this has seen better days. Hello? Yes? I'm falling down and all. Oh! Where are you? I see you. In here? Hey up!
But that single walkway. See, go to my reference.
Oh, go on. The gate's open. What a van. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Wow. Right, this place looks sick. Western Super-Mare Skatepark. Wow. Oh man, this looks hella fun to ride. Oh man. Right outside the hotel as well. In the same sort of complex. Wow. Look at this. The volcano. Massive. Wow, this is different. So there's nothing under 6 foot for sure. Here we've got a curved quarter pipe all the way along with some rollover in the middle, some cool transfers there, and then opposite that we've got another curved quarter. I suppose you could use that as a sub, some tech tricks there, or use that as a step up for the box there. God, it's raining a lot. So then you got, this is Western Super-Mare, and yeah, so the weather's terrible this week, and I didn't bring my bike with me, but I'm back again next week, and I will bring my bike with me. So I just wanted to show you guys the skate park that I'll be riding next week. One, for a bit of a spot check, and two, give me some ideas, some stuff you want to see me do. Because I'll film another vlog next week, actually riding this place, weather permitting. Yeah, and we'll just get it done. So yeah, wow, Western Super-Mare skate park. This is sick. Man, yeah, so look at the size of this step up though. That's intense, and it's coping. Right, but you'll get some speed off that first one. Look at the size. Yeah, it's good size that. Oh, I'm looking forward to next week to ride this place. God, even the landing, I reckon I could flare the landing. I've called myself out now, haven't I? Well done, Jack. So yeah guys, what I want to know is what you want to see me do from that quarter to that bank and that quarter to the bank. Yeah, comment below what you think I should do there and I'll see what I can do. Look at this thing. That's not... Yeah, so in this video we've done some urban exploration, some URBEX down an abandoned pier. Basically the brick, it's all corroded. Surprisingly it's still standing, to be honest, but all the bridge, all the planks and that, they've all fallen through. They're all scattered across the beach on the bottom, and then when you get there it's all just a mess. It was pretty cool. Made some good photos, and yeah, so we did some urbexing earlier on this week, and then I just spotted the skate park, so we're going to do a first look of Western Super-Mare skate park and then catch a session here for sure, and hopefully we'll get creative with it. I've got some smoke bombs. It might be cool to let some off over the jump box or whatever, and see what we can get done, basically. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Comment down below what tricks you want to see me get done at the skate park, and I will be heading into Western Super-Mare's town as well, because there's some pretty sick street spots as we've been driving through. So yeah, you like this video, comment down below any trick ideas you want to see me get done, and you know the drill. Subscribe, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your friends, tell your pets. This channel's getting litty in the city. Can't believe I just said that. Anyway, I'm out.